Rice pot, bubbly, bubbly. Everything a shot, man. Same time I don't want to fish that alone, I want to look at rice.
I just want a little stir fry.
Stir fry.
You know what I'm cooking here, just stir fry.
Stir fry. Stir fry. Stir fry. Anything left over here, man, you look at that view. Yeah. Oh, the beef.
Yeah, the beef come on nicely, you know. Yeah, man, but you know, say beef or meat, you have to make sure you cook properly.
Yeah, yeah.
So, you have to cook it down like I want 2-3 times, because I'm a pressure cooker we I use.
Yeah.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Then me want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Today, well, good morning. You know, today we are on a different mission. So we're linking up with Colors again. So you know, Colors is gonna head to the river to do some cooking, you know. But Dee, she's heading to the farm, so Dee's gonna do some farming vlog today. So you know, today we're rolling solo with Colors, you know. So today we're gonna get some fish, you know, rolling in the town side. So yeah, man, so stay. You know, Callaloo.
No.
Who can I get Callaloo from?
I can't tell. I am not sure where.
You have Callaloo over there? Callaloo. Okay. Yeah, man, so good morning. We're here. We're gonna get some. We're gonna do some fish. You know, and Color's gonna do some beef. So we need the color.
Stuff it.
Yeah, so we need the Callaloo to stuff it.
Oh yes.
So you can see.
What does it say?
Yeah. So right now I'm missing the Callaloo.
Maybe if you go further down so you might find.
Might find it. And I mean, let's walk further down. But the main thing as well too is the okra. Can't do the fish without the okra.
Not for the fish.
Yeah. After have the okra.
Okra. $200 per dozen.
Okay. There you go.
Lord, what a big money.
Too big. Sorry. Yeah, so as I said, Lee's heading to the farm today. You know, she's gonna do some farm vlog and then she's gonna go to the river as well too. So she's going right, I'm going left. You know, so today we're on a different mission. Yeah, we're on a different mission today. So yes, so stay tuned. Me and Colors gonna do some beef and stuff. You know, roast fish on the side. See you, me. You know, so I'm not going to beef. So the roast fish on the side, I gotta make it right. Ionize, yeah, man. So this is the video for today. Remember, stay tuned. I'm really enjoying the Portland vlogs. You know, really enjoying Portland. So right now I'm starting to become a country boy. And then so I take the town out of country. So here is the fruit market. Ground provide. So this is where we get in the ground provide. Get some okra. So we have the okra here, so you know what's after the okra now. We need to try to get some Callaloo to stuff the fish. You know them thing I can't hold nice without the Callaloo. But listen, if I don't get the Callaloo, you have to make it work, right? No Callaloo, we're gonna make it work. See you in there, so this is it. So we have the okra, one of the greatest. So if you get the Callaloo, that's one of the problems. So anyway, we're going to make it work. So if we don't get no Callaloo, we're going to make it work. See me, right? I have to make it work. First the colors, I make it go work. Hey, it going to taste like it have more than Callaloo in it. Yeah man, so stay tuned. Remember please, remember like before watching. Remember if you haven't subscribed, put the thumbs up. You know, put the thumbs up. And remember like before watching every time. Fine change, mommy. So sorry. So sorry, mommy. Much your banana? I'm gonna take half dozen. Take half dozen banana. So I'm kind of give back some of your change. See? Give back some of your change.
Yes, thank you.
No problem.
Check it. Come in, hold with the
Can you put that one little bag for me, please?
Yes.
So you don't want to take the whole of your change, so I get some more stuff. So you see about some change, right, mommy?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
No problem. Continue to do the juggling, you know?
Yes, man.
You spot this for years.
I'm a daughter.
Your daughter? So you go and
She
take
go
over?
and somebody in that coffee.
Okay. So you go and run it for her? Right. Put them in. Let me start the time. Thank you. So you can go down to the side again?
Yeah, though I Chinese, you know this song.
Oh, right, down to the light post. Alright, then we want to get some callaloo. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful morning. Okay, mommy?
Yeah.
Take care, okay? You know, like the driver, them drive hard in Portland. So here what? So rolling down, gonna beat it back with colors. You know, so today we're on the solo journey. It's a wonderful morning here in Portland. I'm telling you, I'm turning a country man. Right now I'm rolling in town like a country boy. I'm not your average country boy rolling in town, you know? Yes, so not your average country boy. It's been some epic today.
That is it, man. Today Maggie sponsor us, so I got match up a quick, you know, video. See me now, Maggie apron and anything.
Well deserved.
You know,
well deserved, man. Well deserved.
Yeah.
You know, for forward next some Coca-Cola and some Pepsi.
Yeah, man. All like big brand them when you just check we out, man, and just shot the email to you and you know, yeah, reach out, man.
Yeah, man. You know the thing, it's never a dull moment with Color Smith TV. You know, so you know the thing, say your promotion gonna be bright.
That is it.
With all of the new text, them like you watch cinematic, cinema you there watch all of the qualities and things. You see, but the man go all out. Look one Joan in a box. Like when them briefcase with pure money.
Yeah, cause you have to protect your investment, you know.
That is it.
Yeah.
Man, I roll like the beryllium, but it's well more secure than the beryllium.
Yeah, man.
Well, more so the river you don't know color today.
You know, so I don't know what the river name. Cause actually, at the first, I go down that side.
So you have to get a name then.
Yeah, we normally pass and go further on, but at the first, we have explored that one. That one is new.
Yeah, man. So you have to go give it a name, you know. Definitely.
While you pass through, you have to just explore. Sometimes you left out, you don't know where you go. You just drive.
Just
you know?
drive.
You book a place.
Mm-hmm.
You just go deep.
Tell me something, you was an artist before Colors, I mean, I dropped some lyrics, you know.
Yeah,
What was
man,
it?
how you say, man?
Was music before?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
We are artists, we call it then something, you know, we are MC, we are everything.
Yeah, because me
photographer, videographer. Yeah, man, we try to spread the wings, man.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so we're full of talent. If one no work, we try something else.
Yeah.
Can't limit yourself.
True. That. I mean, you say you was a runner as well in your school days.
Yeah, man. Back in our school days, man. Long distance runner, man. 1500, 5000, 800 meter. And me that.
Oh,
yeah.
How school you represent them time there?
Buff Bay High School.
Oh, Buff Bay High
man.
School.
Same place in Portland, too.
Buff Bay, they know for the long distance running through, you know.
Yeah.
They're definitely known for that. And your journey still continues, so from there, so you say you take on the YouTube.
Take on YouTube and I go and do it. You know? And in doing it, bring a lot of people along the way we do it.
Yeah,
you know? Teach them the ropes and show them how to go on.
Yeah.
And tell them, say, go and go do it same way. You see me?
It's a purpose, you know, your sense of purpose.
Yeah, man. Through me, you have a whole lot of uprising YouTuber. Climber adventure. You have Pappy spearfishing adventure. You have Murphy living adventure. You have the Great Socks. You have J-Bud the Baker. You have Teabag lifestyle. You have Presser lifestyle. You have Miss Licklat Kitchen. A whole heap of them uprising true colors, you know?
Yeah. We have to give thanks to that because that's what we need. You see me? Once a man can do something and can bring somebody else up with him, more than looking down on them. You see me? I say, it only can inspire you to come and do the same thing when Color Smith TV didn't do it.
Yeah, man. We one time we all and I walk with the stick and mouth mash and fast eat a drop out a mouth and we talk. We can say, you know, say one time I was a great man coming up, you know? And the grandkids them are look and we are sitting and tell them a story time.
True,
we don't want known for no bad vibes. We want known for upliftment, you know, creativity, inspirational, you know, movements that one be known for. Legacy we are setting up.
And without
bad legacy.
Without a doubt, the public eye see it.
Yeah, man. You know, you have 1 and 2 are gonna rise, and then you know switch up and all of that. But that you can't get rid of that still.
No strings attached.
Yeah, it's in the nature of mankind.
Yes.
You know, so you have to just do what you have to do. Same way, and not watch the face.
Yeah, because once you do something for somebody, there's no strings attached.
You just have move and work with the movement.
You play your part, and your part is choosing your purpose. We can help a man rise while he's down. You understand? So we respect you for that.
Yeah, man.
And you look to inspire other people to do the same thing. You know why now?
You wanna come like mad man, yeah?
Good thing you look back, you know. That's the key.
Check all of them, 4 of them.
A good thing you look back, you know, Colors.
Always I check them. 3-4 times I check them.
Before. Yes, people, so this river we are go blue like lagoon, you know, blue like lagoon. So we're there again once more, another adventure, cooking by the river. Hey, I'm loving this life in the countryside. Imagine just a cook by the river every day. It's so relaxing, so calming, you know. What more can you want in life? It's something like this, the nature vibes. Just take a look now. So we go down the stream. What you walk now? What you walk now? What do you could walk here because the river they come down, remember? If the river come down, we can't walk here, so people. No joke about it. If the river come down, we can't walk here, so So remember guys, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe. Won't cost you nothing to put the thumbs up. So walk the path with me right now. So them say the river you know no name. Going down the river. Alright. To cross the river with me. Cross the river with me. Cross the river with me. Ouch! The river water here feeling nice. Nah lie. But the water clean, clear, crystal. This water is so clear, crystal. Yeah. Everybody has Swift. Swift same way. So that when you wash away same colors.
I don't know how deep this is. I don't just suppose it.
Yeah.
One side the deep.
Water is so pretty, so clear. Oh, so pretty, so clear. You. All right. The river is clear, crystal clear. So here we go. You know me as a man, I'm not take check, you know. Let me tell you something I'm learning about these rivers in the countryside. You might see the river them and you can see everything at the bottom and it looks so shallow. But when you go jump down in it, trust me, it's not shallow. You know, it's not. So that's what I mean, man. Precaution. They know the thing go. So even the swimmer them, so them can't swim right there. So who's me? So you know where me I go for? My life jacket. You know when I left it now at all. That's the reason why I got my life jacket. I like to float. So never born in a fisherman family. I never born near sea. Me never live in a water. You know? You know, we're from the concrete jungle. I know the concrete jungle is nothing but concrete. We never live near no river. Nah, nothing at all, so. Me no risk it for the biscuit. Hey! I'm gonna get my swim jacket so I can take it. So yeah, back up to the car. Get my jacket. I'm gonna get my jacket. I'm gonna get my jacket. So me know, me have a football me play. So I will take your hand from the grass, but not the water. So I like this nature life, nature vibe. As you can hear the water down there, so nice. You know, everything is just nice. Can't complain about life. Nature life is just nice. Not even lying. It's just nice, nice, nice. So tell me something, you're feeling relaxing watching these type of videos, this type of content? You like enjoying it? The road clear. Them nice road, they are clear. Well. So how can you not love this nature vibe? So yeah, so when you come a river, I don't bring no ice for your juice, and the river is so cold. So you put the juice in the water for going cold. See the true juice, and you put the juice in the water for going cold. That's true. Just make the juice go on cool. And you know how that goes. So you have a cool juice. So that's how you cool juice when you're at the river. So the river water is already cool and nice. As you can get the river over there, so I make nice. The fire over there so catch. Callaloo, $20 bungle.
Yeah, steamy callaloo different.
Stuff it. Any way I do it, yeah, stuff it.
Yeah, I'm going to cut up all the
coconut dumpling when boil and the pork when steam. Check out Sax Adventure, man. You cannot miss. If you love food cooking, adventure cooking, you can't miss. Once you check out Sax Adventure, so Sax now gonna deal with the fish. So Sax, what kind of content them can expect from you when you watch Sax Adventure?
Teach people, some people, you have to do some different food they do. You know, so rice and peas are common something.
Yeah.
That do every Sunday that. You have to change up it. You like go you have a pumpkin rice and peas.
Yeah.
You have to change here.
So different type of rice and peas.
You know, so me eat rice and peas still, you know, but me not really
Too
fancy.
fancy.
Can growing come up, you know, man.
Pure rice and
peas a day.
with chicken.
Yeah, man.
Rice and peas with the chicken. Come see you do the coconut dumpling the other day. How that taste?
Coconut dumpling.
Yeah, I'm seeing.
Normal, man.
Yeah, man.
Color bust it first, you know, man. So I have to try it, you know.
I know when I go town, I try that when I go back to Kingston.
Yeah, man.
The first pot I go in to make. When I reach home, first thing I go make when I reach home is the coconut dumpling. No joke. You see me? That's the first thing I go try when time I reach back, the coconut dumpling. You know, because I tell you, it's trending. Yeah, but no, man. Not at all. So I'm specialized in making drinks as juice as well too. And I think that it's a full cooking.
Mostly drink water, man. You know, really love the juice thing.
Yeah. Water, the whole thing.
Yeah, man. I love the water, I love the juice.
So Sax is on the road to 20, you know, I'm on the road to 50, you know, so if you haven't subscribed to Sax Adventure, please go over and subscribe, you know, check him out. With some great content, cooking content, so prepare to see your motor run water when Sax in the kitchen. You know, so I don't say Colors have a lot of have a team, you know, everybody have a YouTube channel, so Sax is one of them. You know, and Sax will help us here today. I steam some fish. Sax way. Callaloo, well stuffed and okra and things. Eh? You know it goes already when time Sax in the kitchen. He's not cooking no chicken. He's gonna steam fish and beef.
I do some Rasta man food.
Yeah. And it's no Rasta pasta. And the Rasta swim around. And the water creature we are doing today. Colors they say Isa. Take your time. For the river rolling right. So colors down there, so I get some scene shot on the rock. Gun God of season the beef. Eh? You use a coconut oil, you can use no butter. But you don't have rice, you never buy no butter either. Eh? You don't eat no cook man, I may have to put butter in it here, me. No. You put butter on my rice, you know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm here. You like them on the head?
I eat fish, man.
You eat fish?
Oh.
You know, sir.
Oh, something like that. I eat fish. Guys, you want to cook? I don't want like that.
You ever put it on the fish head?
Eh?
You say if you don't put it on the fish head?
bro. Me a cut up the season.
I cut out the Caesar.
Hey, mas, file paper is going on.
Can't believe Saxon eat fish. And you eat all the rest of the meat them. The beef, the pork.
Beef?
The pork.
Pork, man. I love pork.
It ain't beef. This is it. This is the high-tech where they come out of the big box. This is it. It's the Maverick 3 Pro. Maverick 3 Pro. So I get the eye, see the pot, so I go on steam, curry beef. Curry beef. Ready now. Ready. Callaloo okra. There's an Irish. This alone can steam, you know. This alone can steam, sir.
Fish from seal.
Yeah. This alone can steam. The jasmine rice. Oh, you're gonna put the pumpkin tonight? Oh, you put it in. They never remember it. The pumpkin they are cut up at going nice. It's a low with the jasmine rice and then good enough, sir. You don't have to eat no beef, you know. It's a low on the pumpkin rice. Checking. Big swim right now. I say, oh, you can't check it still. Me now check it first. Yeah, exactly. You don't want to check it first, man. No. Them say don't risk it for the biscuit. Yeah. What are so tempting, you know, then chuck off your son is good. Don't want to chuck off and can't float up.
Smell what this and give me yourself.
Nice.
It's like 15 already.
You can see it already though. They must buy right this can eat like this. Come have the bread and drop it on the bread and stuff. Go on the road and
Go the door.
go in there. Yeah. But normally I see them thing have to eat, you know. See, more energy, more nutrients. But we want things well steamed. But back in the days we like nowadays, I mean, long time. That man used to get 900 rand, you know. But now it's all again. As we reach 100, they're lucky to reach 100. Lucky, imagine how life gets started now. Lucky if you reach 80. You're not supposed to eat. That looks good. You miss right, I'm not lying. We don't want no fish on this alone, you don't want to.
Alone, you don't want to put you?
Yes, sir. So everything tonight. Got it steam already. Soft adventure. They're so soft and work, like clockwork.
Done.
It's alone. If you have bread right now, so I can tell you how to eat the fish. Or yourself. Just mash it up so.
People. Left the butter on it, so you have to use dry.
Yeah, so we got about the butter, so Sasa improvise and I use the eye. I know so once you're a chef, you know, you have to improvise something. Right? And Sasa here what? I don't see him butter, I see him eye, you know. So I see him to the same. So this prevents the fish from not stick to the fire. Oi.
There?
Yeah. Such and work. So you know the thing will check in on this finish. You know the motor run water right now, just like how the river run. You know a lot of motor run water right now, just like how the river run. Water. Brother. So over the colors of the curry beef. Over there so we have the steamed fish. Everything is shot, man. Same time I don't want to fish that alone, I want to look at rice.
I just want a little stir fry.
Stir fry.
You know what I'm cooking here, the stir fry.
Stir fry. Stir fry. Stir fry. Anything left over here, man, you look at that view. Yeah. Oh, the beef.
Yeah, the beef come on nicely, you know. Yeah man, but you know say beef or meat where you have to make sure you cook properly.
Yeah.
So you have to cook it down like I want 2-3 times because it's a pressure cooker we are use.
Yeah,
we don't want no rubber feed, you know?
No.
Meat be nice and tender.
I know I'm not somebody I'm cooking
I
on
want to tell you say I saw my mats out yesterday for some guests. I mean I tell you.
Sure,
oh my God man, guess them the most of the plate they eat. Yeah. Coconut dumpling. Gone. Blue overlay.
So you're the first person to do that, right?
Alright, let me tell you what go on with the coconut dumpling now. grew up going to see my mother look about it.
Okay.
How she look about it, I put a twist to it, you know? Yeah, because she would just boil the coconut, boil it and put it, dump it in the coconut milk alone.
Okay.
But me, you know, I spice and season up my own.
Like you could
Flavor,
spice and
fully,
peas.
yeah, fully flavor, you know? And I wait till my coconut juice go way down, so you know, say, you get all of that from it. Yes, man.
I know what I think for do. I never try to put the coconut itself in a grater in the flour.
Yeah, I see, I try that. Well, I use the juice and knead the flour before, but you know, bad like when you actually cook the
coconut in it.
Yeah, cook it in the coconut juice.
Okay.
I hear a couple people that say try knead the flour with the trash and everything. But the thing is, I don't say more to try it, you know, but I feel like say just like when you eat like a gizzard and you have to deal with the trash.
You don't want that. Makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Because whenever I think about that part,
you can't get rid of the trash there. You go buy the dumpling, you go get the trash there.
And it now go steam down like vegetable.
No, go nice like that.
No, me get that part. Me get that part. So here I'm gonna test the water. Test the water. No further. Yeah. Nobody can cross it. Alright, John Grass. Just strong. This is where I'm staying, right here. Nowhere further. Nowhere further. Yo, the river, this riverside is swift. Swift. Nobody can cross it. But two alone just don't want to cross it. Nobody can cross it. Down the way I go. Look how rough this is. This is really rough. With this, swing away. But drum God, I wash out our ears. Drum God, I wash our ears. The river here, swing away. The river here, fling away. Everybody will fling away, man, I lie. Yo, man, I like river tide strong. Strong, 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 strong. Strong, 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 strong. You say we still. Hey, you saw when the music play. Eh? And that's where you go. You're gonna say you wash away. Nah, take no wash away. You can slow strong with the tide is. See, you can see how strong the tide is. Look. Strong, strong, strong. Go in there so you disappear. You drop in there so you disappear. Right in there so you drop and you disappear. You drop in there so you disappear. Nah, no fear. But you're so nice from there right now. We can't swim in this. Young girl, what go on? Yeah, the river tide jump. River tide jump that side. We're gonna find somewhere to go swim. Go find somewhere to go swim. Drunk God got me to go and cross it. She alone just know how to cross it. Nobody can cross it. River rough, nah lie. Color spot I go and simmer down. Right on the rock. Right on the rock. Color spot I go and simmer down the beef pot. Colors that say Isa. This is the beef pot. I can reach that. Wood. See, checking, check. Success, another one. Right spot, bubbly. water, iron chalice. Treasure. Yes, as I can see the rice steam down. Fish. I go and do it. So you know the thing go. Right, that's over there up on the riverside and a beach. Is it? Well. Please. Oh, that's what convert today in the colors.
Look at that. I want to tell you. What listen? I want you to see it, you know. At this point in time, the beef nice and soft and tender. Look.
Okay.
See it?
No gummy beer.
See it? No rubber around here.
No rubber. Yeah, no rubber.
See it?
No rubber.
Yeah, so we're just getting some natural season. And we just wait for the flavor to check in back.
But pretty man.
Ready for well soup. Ready for that.
Ready.
As soon as the natural season cook back up.
Yes.
Nice.
Get
it off.
Grape look rich.
Yeah, we have to test the grape because I don't know, so we have to test the grape with the flavor. Yeah.
That is it.
Wicked!
There's the people. Test the gravy.
I bluff man.
Nah, take it on. Right, Climber? People, don't forget to check out Climber Adventure. You know, the link will definitely be in the description. So you're on the road to how much now? 20. Road to 20. You see there, so let's get him right there. Climber. Only for adventure, I'm telling you, so it's Climber. Reach out to Wrong God! The pot so land on the boat land and all the thing though. So the boat so land in a Portland. The rice over there start go and steam. The fish over there start go and chill. So you know the thing go. Well bubbly. Yeah, alright. Ready. Where's the Climber? You ready? Long time.
Yeah, we just give probably about the next 2 minutes and then we'll get him off quick and fast.
Yeah man, I look ready to me now. You know the motor run water now, watch colours in the kitchen right now. The motor run water in, but you know you can't link colours if you don't want them type of link up here. You fly from a Jamaica and from a Portland.
That is it.
This is what you're getting the link up with colours.
Yeah man, no joke man. See
no joke.
Maggie jump on board and sponsor, you know, because Maggie says we have big bad chef in our building.
Oh.
Straight out of Portland. So big up the whole team. Socks, Climber, Coffee, Ground God, T-Bag, the whole works, everybody big up themselves. All I want to see on the adventure today, just know say our people them see them. Now see them see them.
Yeah. That is it. So big up Maggie for the sponsor. You know, continue sponsor the youth them Maggie. You know your thing go. All the way we call it a contract now.
Right, man, take it.
Don't we call it a contract now so we can see him on the TV. Right, Gun God. So this is the rice pot. As we see, rice are going on steam. So you know the thing go. By the riverside, meet you by the river. Sunday, meet you by the river. That part, yeah. Oh, when the gates are open wide, I'm gonna see my river. Meet you by the river. Someday, come on, sing it me. Meet you by the river. Yes, checking. You see the fish, huh? You know the fish drop on. There, them okra and the color and the pumpkin. Check-in. See it? Call them a pocket fish. Slip one in your jacket pocket and walk one. Nice. Nice. Yes, people, I say it's a great link up with and Color Smith TV, you know. The family, all it's food for days, you know. So we give thanks. Too bad when I eat the beef, you know the thing of them say pescatarian, vegetarian, when I eat none of them meat then. So you know never stick with the swim around. You see me? Water creature. That is me. That is what we feature. So look at the beauty. Because it's surrounded by nature. Surrounded by nature. Now I'm going to go for the life jacket, yeah? Them say that even the life jacket can't save me the way to tie the rope. So not even the life jacket them say can't save me the way to tie it swift, as I can see. It's not swimmable at all. I say chucking at this or jumping at this. Or straight on the rocks them are gone. You know, so the water so pretty we can't even swim. The water so pretty we cannot swim because the water blue, pretty, all the way down there. So cooking by the river today. We say we're cooking by the river, cooking today. Me say we cooking the fish, the beans and rice. Eh? You make a song though. We cooking by the river. Hey, today. Me say we cooking by the river. Hey, tell them. Me say we cook the steamed fish and the rice and the beef over there in our spoil. We cooking on the river. Colors. Today, yeah, we say we're cooking on the river.
You wanna know what I'm going on?
Today,
I me say, Maggie, come on board. Me say, Maggie,
come on.
Maggie.
Hey.
Watch you now. Maggie, just sponsor the pot.
Hey.
Curry beef, me a chef that.
Hey.
Rice.
Me a chef that. Hey, I will tell them. Me say we're cooking on the river.
Yeah.
Hey. Today,
Yes,
hey,
yes,
we say we're cooking on the river,
Tell me if it's spicy.
not far away. We say when the fish starts steam and the rice a boil,
Spicy.
and the beef over there so it not spoil. We're cooking on the river.
Rivers.
Today, not someday. We're cooking on the river today. We say we're cooking on the river. Today. We're cooking on the river, not far away. So when the fish starts steam, the rice a boil, the beef over the sun, it not spoil. We're cooking on the river. Hey, today. See, river vibes. See, lyrics we make on time. So we're cooking on the river today. Not far away. So when the fish starts steam and the rice boil, over there so with the beef, it not spoil. We're cooking on the river today. That is it. Cooking on the river today. The sake, I do with the rice. That is it. Hey. Hey, Maggie, sponsor the pot. We say rice in a pot. Hey, rice in a pot, beef in a that, yeah. Fish over there so we are steam up that. Yeah. Maggie, sponsor the pot. Hey, Maggie, sponsor the pot. We say rice in the pot, beef in the pot, fish over there so we are going to steam up that. Maggie, Bansa the pot. Hey, magic. So gogi. Jump on and.
Jump on to go eat some apple and curry beef.
Hey.
And that may I wait on.
Hey, so she want some curry beef. When the rice over here, so go and stay. Shucks. Hey, I wait. Yo. You say, Maggie, Bansa the pot. Maggie, Bansa the pot. So, rice over there, so. Beef in that. Fish over there, so. Steam on the pot. In my belly, everything I drop flat. Boy. So that turn out into a creative style. Another style, this, you know. You see what go on colors. Everything turns to be on its creative style. You don't need no rice. It's alone. Colors, another style, this, you know. Me a borrow that style, yeah, you know. No joke, me a borrow that style. Yeah, man, come on. Yeah, man, that cook. You see, come on, some of that cook. Easter. Wicked! That style of bad colors. I'm gonna try that style. So the color load, the okra, the pumpkin, Irish as well, right? Well cut up and seasoned like that. Of course, yeah, all the man eat fish out here, you know. Just straight up on the water top. That's not bad. Boy, that beef pot that look nice. Beef pot that look nice. Nah, lie. Come on, put color loop on it, man. Go for it. Let me see. That is it. Yes, sir. Take your time. See there? The port land. In our port land. Cheers! A whole heap of food there. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.